My name is Jamie. About 3 years ago, I had a right total knee replacement at the Kansas City Orthopedic Institute. Before I had my surgery, I had had arthroscopic surgery on my right knee, and it accelerated my arthritis to the point that my knee went bad in about 3 months. I lost all my cartilage. It was really difficult to get around. I had trouble walking. I had to walk with a cane, and I couldn't do most of the things that I needed or wanted to do. I decided it was time to have surgery one day when my husband and I were at an art festival and we were boarding a bus to go back to our car. I had my cane and I was getting around okay, I thought. But as we started to get on the bus, when the bus pulled up, the entire crowd that was waiting for the bus stopped and parted and let me get on first. While that was very nice, I was only 59 years old and I wasn't ready to be an old person. So that was my moment of truth where I decided I needed to have a new knee. I researched different doctors in Kansas City after I'd had my arthroscopic surgery, and I chose based on a recommendation from a friend of mine who's a nurse. I had an excellent surgeon and a really great facility, and I couldn't be happier with my knee. About 3 weeks into my recovery, I was surfing on the internet and found BoneSmart just by accident. I started corresponding and got some questions answered quickly and found that it was just a really great community of good folks who were there to keep you positive and keep you focused on a good recovery. That was very important to me, and having BoneSmart really helped me. I was able to go online anytime, day or night. That was a real plus. We had members all over the world, and there was almost always somebody there to talk to if you needed help or if you were awake in the middle of the night. Having surgery has made a big difference in my life. I didn't spend very long disabled, but I could clearly see that if that would have gone on, my life would have become so small and miserable. Once my recovery was over, my knee is fine and I do great. I can do anything that I want to do. I don't have any limits. I can kneel, I can go up and down stairs, I can climb a ladder, I paint. We have a lake house and I go up and down hills. There just really isn't anything that I can't do. And I'm so glad that I took the time to research and find a good surgeon, have a great replacement, and now I look forward to a really great life. I'm a BoneSmarty and I'm enjoying life again.